This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and drivers so sound routing works. Connect Xbox controller or console to the PC using USB or a network link. Once done, install the Xbox Accessories app and the latest audio drivers on Windows to exposed devices. Make sure you have the right cable type. USB-C gives direct digital audio. Optical gives multi-channel. 5mm is stereo analog. I'll walk you through choosing the best connection and why each method matters for latency and quality. Now configure Windows audio routing so Xbox output reaches apps and speakers. First, open Sound Settings and select the Xbox device or your capture card as the output, then set your default playback and recording devices. Once done, enable Stereo Mix or use Voice Meter. Route Xbox playback into the virtual input and send that to both your speakers and recording app. Make sure sample rate is consistent, 48 kHz, so audio won't drift, and tweak buffer size to balance latency, and finish by testing and locking in levels so everything is usable. You should run an in-game sound check while observing levels in OBS or your DAW. Adjust game, chat, and system volumes to prevent clipping. Once done, enable monitoring to confirm what viewers hear and avoid echo by muting local playback if needed. If you still have no sound, first recheck cables and device selection, then restart the Xbox app or Windows Audio services. This single troubleshooting step often resolves device handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.